It was another slight change in temperature, at least a little bit during the morning hours. That'll become more obvious both tomorrow morning and through the weekend as temperatures drop back to the 50s. So a little hint of fall, but otherwise the afternoon is still kind of warm. Still dry through the weekend. Our next rain chance not arriving to the early and mid stage of next week. So nice weather for outdoor planning this weekend. 83 currently with a light southwesterly breeze. There's that dew point down to the upper 50s. So therefore, the temperatures that we had this morning right around 60 are going to be much lower tomorrow, where everybody will be in the 50s. A few of these areas that had low 50s this morning might be as low as the upper 40s, both tomorrow morning and possibly again on Saturday morning. So temperatures right now closer to that average high, which is close to 80. That's where we stand now, mostly upper 70s and low 80s. That same range should be expected for the next several days, but compared to what it was like yesterday and the day before, we're all in the negative category, as temperatures have cooled quite a bit by some 4 to 6 degrees because of a nice wind flow coming in from the northeast and the upper levels. It's also a dry flow, so nothing to show on the radar at all. Most of the eastern half of the country, all the way to the Gulf, is relatively dry. The big weather story of the week was Imelda. It moved across Bermuda last night, racing out to sea, no longer tropical, but still a dangerously large storm, causing swells all along the U.S. East Coast, and now continue racing away across the North Atlantic. Elsewhere in the tropics, there's one area of low pressure into the Bahamas, back to Miami, and they'll be drifting back to the Gulf, but very low chances of development. And then farther east, way out in the eastern Atlantic, tropical wave here will be watched over the next several days. Its chance for development is still relatively low. We remain, though, in the peak period of the season. So locally, we're going to see temperatures tomorrow morning dropping back to the 50s early on. Late day temperatures rising back upper 70s to around 80. Some late day clouds, but overall very nice for football games tomorrow night. Kickoff temps in the 60s, so a nice cool night for a change. Temperatures Saturday morning, a little bit lower, mid to upper 50s. Late day Saturday, sunny to partly sunny, and highs again upper 70s to around 80. Not much will change for the rest of the weekend, with again Sunday morning temperatures back to the 50s and 60s. Late day temperatures back near 80. It probably will not be until early next week, maybe as early as Monday, for a few scattered showers returning. So tomorrow's forecast, plenty of sunshine start to finish. A nice cool start in the 50s. Afternoon highs near 80. Many areas will stay in the upper 70s through the late stage of the afternoon. So we are dry through the weekend. By early next week, a few spotty showers Monday, little better chance Tuesday, Wednesday, but even with that said, it's just a scattered chance. Highs remain near 80 and morning lows in the 50s over the weekend, back to the 60s next week.